So earlier we looked at the connections to the back of the machine, and now we're gonna show you essentially just how to start it up. So first things, we wanted to turn this lever. Of course, you want all your machinery on so it can regulate the pressure. So we have the box on and our software running over there. And so we're gonna turn this, and when you do that, you should see this needle jump to around 45, 50, which is generally what we see with these. And so it comes out of here into this on-off switch. So we're just going to turn that on, allowing it to flow through the CO2 regulator filter into the box. And so now we have pressure flow. And so if we come over here to the software, we can see, so we want to turn, first we want to turn the oil channel on to sort of flush out the system. And so these are about the flow rates you should be getting. Generally, we use control mode set to the regulator because our droplet size are usually determined by the pressure, not the other way around. We want a profile at constant. In order to flush out the system, you might want to go all the way up to say 2000 millibar, but for the purpose of making droplets, you're gonna stay around 100 to 400. And so profile constant. And so you'll see the oil flood in sort of, you'll just see sort of a wave of oil. You'll see it coming up into the water channel that I showed earlier. And once that happens, you can go ahead and turn the oil off, set the water to the exact same settings, control mode on regulator, profile on constant, and pressure around 100 millibar. So you're gonna go ahead and turn that on, then turn the oil on as well. It's fine, just do it at the same time. And then you should see the water start coming down, and then with a bit of luck, you should have droplets, and you can see them. Hopefully, right there, as sort of, you can see the resolution on this camera is not great, but you can see that sort of stationary string of circles, and those are actually droplets. They're moving extremely fast. But if you look down a bit at the outlet tube, if you zoom in there, you can actually see the droplets. This resolution's terrible. I'm gonna just go ahead and try to show you through the lens of this thing itself. So let's shift it up a little, and you can see the droplets moving at an extremely high rate up through the outlet tube.